What do you think, guys? Do you think I can open a store with everything that I have here?
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be doing an unboxing of what we call in the Philippines a Balikbayan Box. So, these came from the States. We all know I'm Filipino American, so I grew up going back and forth. And I'm quarantined right now, home in the Philippines. I ordered a lot of stuff. 4 boxes. A bunch of these were bought by my amazing grandmother and also my second mother, Auntie Marcy. Probably will see like a bunch of cheese. I'm a crazy cheese addict. We have, okay, this is my mom's coffee. I'm starting to see my coffee. We have all my Starbucks vanilla lattes. Liquid hand sanitizer, it's spilled. Getting the feel that it's pasta sauce. Tomato and basil for my favorite spaghetti. Oh my gosh, so many! This is like the 3rd pasta sauce. I don't know why I curled my hair for this. I'm just sweating. Another pasta sauce. Basically, the first small box is filled with pasta sauce and my Starbucks vanilla latte. Next, let's open the second small box. Whoa, so many. Pretty sure this is Bath and Body. Now we have some stevia over here. Stevia is like a artificial sweetener. Oh, not sponsored. This is what we use because I normally have sensitive skin and I get a lot of allergies. The big 2. Hi, Ariana. Say hi. Oh, Taylor wants to go over here too. Oh. 2 photo bombers. Taylor and Nana. Oh my gosh, white cheddar cheese is my favorite. What is this? Dryer sheets? Why does it say special kitty? We don't have a cat. Oh, sorry, it's not for the stray cats, Mom. It says for Carlos' cat. My fiance just adopted a cat. Of course, we need the mask. This one. Yours? Taco Bell hot sauce? Taco Bell hot sauce, vinegar. Oh my god. Guys, cheese balls, sour cream and onion. That's for me. Ritz crackers. We got some Ritz crackers. Wow, big ass Parmesan cheese, man. What is this? It's like bigger than my face. For brain, to improve your memory.
There's nothing wrong with my memory.
What is this? Pistachio cream biscuits. Some more lace. Finally, by Dr. Pimple Popper. I've been getting a lot of breakouts from the mask, so I ordered these. You would have to spray this on your mask and it helps prevent future acne. So it's from Dr. Pimple Popper. Smell it. We have some re and use it. Make the room smell good. This is the 5th one we have. Pork and beans. More vanilla lattes inside. Some Ziploc bags. Spam from Auntie Annie. Corned beef. Corned beef? Why does the corned beef look like spam? You want some corned beef?
That's how the corned beef in the States look like.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the 6th pasta sauce. 3 Vienna sausage. 5th Vienna sausage. I finished this box. I have to open this. You have to go. Got to go. Let's open it. Oh, look at this.
How many maple pie?
I don't know. She bought this, Ma.
Too much.
White cheddar. Ritz bits cheese. Oh my gosh. Do you know how hard it is to find Ritz bits cheese? So hard. Kleenex tissue. Grandma's got us, man. We have the 2nd cheese balls. Mac and cheese. 18 boxes. It's knocking. Somebody's knocking. Face mask. No, I was gonna go to the grocery and look for more Ritz bits. They're always out of stock for some reason in the Philippines and in the States. I wonder how many boxes of Vienna sausage she has here. 1, 2, 3. Spaghetti! Yep, guys. Look. All Vienna sausage.
You get pasta?
Yeah, she gave pasta. White. Oh my gosh, corned beef again? Crazy. Why? pretty much wraps up the video. Good luck to me finishing all of this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and hit the subscribe button. See you guys next time.